to Living Creative with Pixie Princess. When 2023 rolled around, we were working on ideas for our YouTube channel, and we decided we were going to do reviews on meal delivery kits. So over the past several months, we have purchased and cooked and filmed unboxing and cooking the meals, and now we want to show you this during the month of August. Now let me be clear, we were not sponsored by any of them. We purchased them with our own money so that we could give you our honest, unbiased opinion on these. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do that and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new one. During the month of August, we will unbox and cook the first meal on Sunday, the next meal on Tuesday, and the third meal on Thursday. Then we will come back the following week and do the same. So come back and find out which one that we like best and our opinions on all of them. Will it be HelloFresh, Every Plate, Blue Apron, or Dinnerly? Which one's going to be the winner? Come back and find out.